The richest people you have never heard of, like they drive Lambos, they don't flash cash, but they own half of the street you live on. Wanna know how they get rich? Starting with nothing. So let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of hype, broke, and ready for strategy that actually works, so this is for you. Number one, shift your strategy. Here's the first rule. Getting rich quietly means thinking long term and acting low key. Forget overnight success. Quiet wealth is built tough. Ownership our labor, assets our expenses, and discipline our dopamine. Start by focusing on skills people pay for, like coding, sales, digital marketing, video editing, copywriting. Pick one, learn it free on YouTube, monetize it fast through freelancing or building our service. Stack and reinvest. Now you have got income. Here's the key: don't level up the lifestyle, level up your assets. Stack cash, every dollar is a soldier. Use it to buy stocks or EFTs monthly. Number third, start a Faceless YouTube channel or a digital product store. Number four, invest in skills that 10x your value, not Gucci belts. Most people flex their income. Quite rich people reinvest it until their money works harder than they do. The loudest person in the room is rarely the richest. Avoid lifestyle inflation, avoid attention, and avoid drama. Keep building, let your results speak. Success loves silence. You will know you are winning when people ask, wait, how did you afford that? And just smile. If you found this valuable, hit the like button, drop a comment saying stack mode so I know you are serious, and subscribe for more no-based money strategies. Remember, you don't need millions to start. You just need discipline, focus, and plan. Get rich quietly, stay rich forever.